This one started as a weeknight idea and turned into our favorite thing we've made this year. Harissa, honey, pomegranate molasses, and tahini. Middle Eastern pantry staples, but together they do something really special. It starts with a marinade. Rose harissa as the base. Fruity, deep, not just heat. Honey goes in next. That's what gives you the lacquer on the skin. Garlic, cumin, smoked paprika, coriander, and a squeeze of lemon to lift it. Mix it together and look at that color. That's what's going on the chicken and vegetables. Bone-in legs, always. They stay juicy in the oven in a way that breast meat just can't. And the skin does something magical when it lacquers in this marinade. Score the skin first, 2 or 3 cuts. It helps the marinade penetrate and gives you those beautiful caramelized edges. Under the skin too, don't be shy. Then into the fridge. Overnight if you can, 30 minutes if you can't. Zucchini sliced into 1 cm coins. Red pepper seeds removed, cut into chunky strips. Red onion into wedges. Cherry tomatoes on the vine. And the marinade that's left in the bowl, it doesn't get wasted. It goes straight on the vegetables. Same flavor running through the whole dish. And this is the move that makes the whole dish. Vegetables on the lower shelf, chicken on a wire rack directly above. As the chicken roasts, the harissa honey fat renders and drips down. The vegetables are done at around 25 minutes. They're blistered, sticky, incredible. Out they come. The chicken stays in for another 10 to 15 minutes to finish. That color, that's what you're looking for. Deep, burnished, lacquered. That color means flavor. The whipped tahini takes about 2 minutes. Ice cold water. Blend while you pour it in slowly. Now for the drizzle. Pomegranate molasses meets chili oil. Dark, glossy, sweet, sour, and spicy all at once. It goes on the chicken, it goes on the vegetables, it goes on everything. Tahini down first. Big confident swoop. Chicken on top, the vegetables on the side. Still warm and sticky with all that dripping from the chicken legs. Then the drizzle. Look at this. The tahini is silky and cool underneath. The chicken skin is lacquered, sticky, a little charred at the edges in the best possible way. And then that slow heat from the chili oil underneath brings it all together. Right, let's eat.